Hey, welcome to another episode of Camera Carnage. I'm Ryan from Seymoure Carnage Photography, here today with another money-saving hack for you. Light boxes are an important tool in flash photography, and probably one of the most affordable light modifiers, with the exception of the umbrella. As the name implies, Softbox gives you a nice soft quality of light across your model, but it gives you more control over the spill of light than an umbrella does. Inexpensive softboxes can be had for around $40 with a mount, but today I'm going to build one for about $8 in materials from the dollar store, and we're going to see how it compares. So we are going to start off with what is going to be one of many trips to the dollar store here on Camera Carnage. We're going to be picking up a roll of aluminum foil, some black duct tape, a white plastic tablecloth, 4 sheets of black foam core, and a can of spray glue. I'm going to be building the Carnage box to the same specifications as one of my newer 24 by 24 inch soft boxes, so it should be a fair comparison. I cut 4 identical panels and attached them to each other with the duct tape, leaving a gap at the edges so they fold nicely. I used the aluminum foil for the internal reflector and fixed it in place with the spray glue. I used the white tablecloth for both layers of diffusion. The back was reinforced with a couple pieces of foam core, and there was a slot left for the speed light. So, here's the final product. I think it came out pretty well. It's light and sturdy, and the flash is simply secured with a piece of tape. But how does it shoot, right? I took these photos using the exact same settings and placements between the two, and as you can see, the results look insanely similar. Look at the speculars around the lips, and the highlights and shadow fall off around the eyes and the left side of the face. The quality of light is essentially identical. Now, the Carnage box has a slightly warmer cast, which can be easily adjusted either in post or in camera. It's also slightly brighter, which I kind of expected since I noticed the tablecloth wasn't quite as opaque as the diffusers that come with the Neewer kit. If I had double layered the internal diffuser panel, it would probably be identical. So what do you think? Not bad for $8, huh? Sure, it's not collapsible and you can't attach a grid to it and the flash is held onto the back with tape, but hey, it is what it is, and it's light and it's sturdy and it takes great photographs. If you think about it, if you had a large enough cardboard box, you could actually cut the price of this build in half by using cardboard box instead of foam core. That'd be $4. 4! You could also use the full sheets of foam core to make larger rectangular boxes, or cut it up a little bit more to make octas, or anything. Your imagination is the limit. Regardless, get some dollar store foam core anyway. Comes in white and black and it makes great reflectors, scrims, even backgrounds. It's a ridiculous value and I always have a few sheets on hand. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching Camera Carnage. I'm Ryan from Seymoure Carnage Photography. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And if you build one of these, let me know how it turns out for you. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for future episodes. I've got more dollar store hacks and other tips coming up for you. Take care.